Racing Jesse started with Leonora's Angel. Break quickly at the start. Rushing a body outside. Mabalor running by the rail. Hall of Justice. Then followed now by INS Victory. Brave Caliper comes next. Moving a body outside. Siki. Boom Boom. Tyler in the middle portion. Apollo of Aquila. Then Jugan Island comes next. Savior. Peregrino second last. So while Summer Star is racing in last. Racing down the backstretch, we have Leonora's Angel in control, leads by about 2 lengths, moving a party outside INS Victory. Running by the rail now is Hall of Justice. Down in port, Brave Caliper. Down on the inside is Apollo of Aquila. Mabalo rushing a party outside is Summer Star. Then next in line is Savior. Mabalor comes next. Then Jugan Island, Boom Boom, Tyler, Siki, while Peregrino is still racing in last. And at a part turn, we have Leonora's Angel maintaining a length and a half lead. Summer Star in second. Apollo of Aquila. Savior comes next. Then Jugan Island. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Leonora's Angel by about 3 lengths. Apollo of Aquila, Summer Star, Savior is running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Leonora's Angel, this time by about 4 lengths over Apollo of Aquila. And finally, Leonora's Angel, Apollo of Aquila, Savior, Summer Star, then Jugan Island, Peregrino, Mabalor.
Alright, banderang tapos. Numero G, Leonora's Angel, ridden by Jigger Paano. Masisigunto yung 2 sa Apollo Aquila, Xavier, then 12, Summer Star. Kala natin, totoo na. Then